Good afternoon everyone, it's Martin from Oakley Car Audio. So I'm just going to talk you through the Target Blu Eye system on this car and how the system works. We're also going to give you a quick run down the road so you can see the system in operation. So basically when you get in the vehicle, you turn the ignition on. You'll see a pair sequence of lights coming on at the top of the window. So that's your distance and calibration for the Target Blu Eye. It's just making sure it's all working and it's all lined up. So now I'm just going to take you on a quick road test. Let's clear the window on the inside, it's a bit fucking shit. So we're now heading towards an ambulance station. This is the easiest way and the safest way of me showing you how the system works. So as we get closer towards the ambulance station, you will see the sequence of the lights go up from green to yellow to red. So that's your distance working out on the Target Blu Eye. Red means you're within 100 yards of a police car or an ambulance or a fire engine. The system can't tell you what vehicle it is that you're approaching or what station you're approaching, but it will alert you what emergency services vehicle or station that you are approaching towards. But it's a really handy piece of kit to have in the vehicle, not just if you're using it because you want to go speeding, but also if you come in anywhere near an emergency services situation. So if there's been a car crash, it'll let you know in advance that there's going to be something on the road. One of the side effects of this system is that it can also pick up speed camera vans in laybys. It's a bit of a negative for the police, but a bit of a bonus for yourself. So as you can see now, the light's going from green to yellow. So we're about roughly 300 yards away at the moment from the ambulance station. It's just a little bit in front of us. We're getting now a bit more closer with the yellows. So we're getting closer and closer. And in a second it will turn red because the ambulance station is just on my right. There we go. So we're 100 yards away. And as you can see, we'll turn the camera in a second. You'll see the ambulances all parked up. And there they are. So that's the ambulance station. It's just sat there. So if you're interested in getting the Target Blu Eye system fitted to your vehicle, just get in touch with us. The system is £1,000 fully fitted and it's guaranteed to save you your licence or keep you out of bother if there is a collision nearby or an accident nearby that you could easily avoid.